Fishing. Yeah, I'm with you there.
That's what drives me, I think, is that waiting and that.
Well, you know all about fishing. This is the ultimate. This is sitting here like this.
Feeling your live bait all of a sudden get excited and you're nervous.
Yeah.
Then it calms down. Then it really gets nervous. Your heart rate's up. That's why I fish, is just that feeling. That
Yeah.
the fish is just a byproduct.
Up him. Line.
Cod. Let's get rid of that for me.
Yeah, that's a big fish.
I'm going to need the net for this one.
Yeah, I can see that. Just take your time with it. Please.
Yep.
Don't have that drag too tight.
No, you can peel the line off when he wants.
Yeah, that's the main thing.
So,
Come on, don't lose fucking what's the name on it. Shark. Couple of sharks. Yeah, a bit of drag off, it's too much. Yeah, out in the open here.
here he is. He's like a big one. He's not quite done. Got pliers.
How many sets of hooks you want?
Jesus. Has he got my other set, does he?
Yeah.
Has he got my other set?
Yep. Okay.
If you can get the other set back, I'll have them.
All that. Just hold. Can you hold that?
If you can't get them, it's alright. Re-rigging thanks to a stingray. 60-pound Atomic Linez leader. Nice and thin. The new size 4.0 Octopus straight eye 4x strong nano alpha hook. But good little hooks. Nice and smooth. They've got new coating, they're smoother. They're just great, they go in so easily. And yes, we're chasing barra, grunter, blue salmon.
We've got to get a fish out of here soon, haven't we?
You'd think so.
We've always got to go across, haven't they?
Yep. I don't think he knows he's hooked yet. Don't go that way, come back this way. Just don't know whether he's gone over yours or I'm still under it. Gone.
Gone?
No.
Oh yeah.
That was weird.
He come back at you. I gotta keep winding.
It was just all of a sudden went slack.
Yeah, you keep winding, don't stop because he stopped. Good boil.
Yeah.
That line's holding up now. Pretty good. Giving them scabs a workout.
Yeah. Well, yeah. Get up, you bitch. Come on. Gary, you've made a great bloody rod.
The big.
That's a big stingray. I can't hold it and bust it off like we do at the passage. The line's too strong.
Yeah.
That's a big stingray. I hate stingrays. Honestly, I feel like cutting my line.
What I heard of him coming out of the water anyway.
Good thready.
Bloody ripper. Hey?
Yep.
Bloody ripper. Oh, seek and you shall find. I don't think he's it. I don't think he's finished yet, Brett.
No,
I think he's just playing with me. There we go. He was quite big, wasn't he?
Yep.
What I heard of him coming out of the water anyway.
Oh, he's ready.
Oh, you bloody ripper. Hey?
Yep.
You bloody ripper. Oh, seek and you shall find. Coming back out. Coming out. Let him do what he wants to do, but worry about the other rod.
Another thready.
Yeah, it's alright. Yeah, just take your time. Let him go, that's it. Don't hang on to that line, don't touch that line. Fuck, I can't reach over that way. Just nice and easy, turn him around if you can.
He's well hooked.
Get some weight on him, that's the go. Coming back out. Coming out. Let him do what he wants to do, Brett. Don't worry about the other rods.
Another thready.
Yeah. Yeah, that's alright. Yeah, just take your time. Bloody ripper. High five. That's the go, mate. That's the go.
Yeah.
Bloody ripper.
Alpha Nano.
Yeah.
800.
Oh no. Yeah. Yeah, I'll give him, mate.
I'll take that.
He loved that little prawn, didn't he?
Didn't he?
Yeah. That's what he was after. The prawn.
On the old 6-inch Alvey.
Bloody ripper. High five. That's the go, mate. That's the go.